Malco Products manufactures quality tools for professionals. We make the right tools for crimping, bending, folding, or seaming metal. Top quality products that work hard, enhance performance, and stand up to years of use on the job. At Malco, we believe in American-made tools that work, perform, outlast. Use the Malco C6R Crimper overhead or in tight working quarters to downsize stovepipe and round metal duct and create a male connection for joining sections. The offset handles keep your hands off work obstacles with less wrist fatigue. Malco Products, a proud heritage for promising future.